Okay, a 5-minute game this morning. How many times for plasma on? So it's 20, not that many, 29 this time. So it might be a low peak overall for players. So if 30 type players is an indicator. Okay, Sicilian defense. Again, that was quite exciting last time. Try and keep the complexity. Knight D7. Right, can I threaten almost to win that pawn or not? I'll try and keep a centre here going. So I think knight F6, bishop E7. Keep that knight out, I think. C4. Mind you, knight C2 to E3. That's gonna be a pain. On E4 again though. So D5, maybe bishop D7 or bishop B7. Okay. That's interesting. E4 looks as though it might actually be on, but I want to like develop my pieces. Actually, knight E4 D5. Forget that. Okay, I just want a castle. They're going to attack B5 now. Like A3 or something. Maybe Queen B8. Queen B3. It could be a hassle. Bishop C6. Bishop C6 here. And then wait for knight takes because Queen B7 after. If D5, Bishop D7. I think I'll go for that. So Queen B3, I think I'll just castle knight B5, Queen B7 there, and that pin looks pretty useful. Okay, giving up both bishops, so 2 knights against 2 bishops scenario. So can I slowly open up the position? I think C4 is opening up the position, and Queen C3 immediately looks pretty tasty, actually. Do that. So what, knight C2 is Rxa8. It's a bit passive for white, isn't it? Also, bishop G4 might be a handy pin there. Threatening to double the pawns immediately, actually. After knight C2, bishop G4, what about rook E3? So maybe rook C8 better than if rook E2, bishop G4. So knight C2, rook C8. What about knight E3 there? It's giving up B4. I dare to take that pawn. Oh, okay, he doesn't like his position, he's just resigned, okay. Oh, it's not much of a game really, is it, this one? Sorry about that. I don't know what to say, really. He gave up both bishops and then shortly resigned after this move. I don't know. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.